Alright, what's going on, guys? So this is Austin over here. I spoke with Keisha, and I know the owners are Jason or Steven. With that being said, let me get started. So here we are. Here's y'all's company, right? Gulfstream Cooling, I'm sorry. One thing right here, look, is a not secure website. So that's one issue that we have. We want to make sure your website's secure. That way no one can actually hack into your website, screw anything up, mess with anything else, steal the domain, steal the host, or anything to do with money related issues, right? So a few things that are going on with your website is, one, we need more content on there. What is the content that we're looking for, or what I say Google's looking for, is the amount of keywords that you have on your page, and also the content, and also the amount of words that you have, period, right? So we're trying to aim between 1,000 and 1,500 words. That right there, Google's going to look at that and be like, all right, well, they already have that many words, we're going to automatically rank them higher, okay? So with that being said, here's what you'll offer: air conditioner repair, heating services, stuff like that. Now we want to interlink some of this stuff. So I'll say you have AC repair. Where does that link back to? Back to the home page. That's good. On the home page, do you have anything that interlinks back? Air conditioning, heating, stuff. Yeah, we interlink a little bit more. That would help y'all out. But let me show you all's competitors. Okay, so here we have 1 hour air conditioning and heating. So what's good about their website? Well, it's pretty, but that doesn't matter. You can have the prettiest website in the world, and Google will not rank it. It's all about the content. It's all about what Google's looking for. So this is what they have to offer, right? Emergency HVAC, air conditioning, heating, thermostats, air quality, ductwork. Okay. They also have coupons to give off. Right here, you can apply for this, submit some information, a little bit of work that they have. Okay. Also, as you're scrolling down around the clock, 100% satisfaction guarantee, what we love to do. And then they have the reviews. So why are reviews so important? Because Google looks at that stuff too, especially if it's a Google review, a Yelp review, anything like that, okay? There's special offers, requested employment, maintenance, customer service. And then look at this, guys. All the area of the map pack which they work in, which they cover. That's also awesome, because when people go to search this stuff, my AC companies, AC repairs, AC fixes, thermostat fixes, heating and cooling, anything HVAC, anything to do with that, those keywords, you want that to be on your website. If those right keywords are on your website, then you're going to rank a little bit better, okay? What does this have? This company has, they have Google, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube, right? All different cars that they accept as well, okay? So let's go ahead and dive into what they're doing. So their UR is going to be the strength, okay? DR is going to be the popularity. So pretty strong, pretty popular. 78K backlinks. So 78,000 backlinks, which means they backlink onto 78,000 different websites. They're linked back to their homepage, their service page, or anything else like that. 2,000 referring domains, 47,000 keywords. So keywords are important. Let me click on this and show you why. So as we go through the keywords, look, AC repair, 1 hour air conditioning, stuff like this. So if I already click on one of these words, this is going to be the volume. The volume is going to be how many searches they have a month. The KD is going to be the keyword difficulty. The CPC is pay-per-click. Traffic, this is the amount of traffic coming in and out a month, and then the position that they're in with Google. First page, this is still the first page, number 3, 6, 6. This is the second page right here. All around pretty good though, right? So another example of them, we got Lindstrom right here, okay? They're ranked number 2 or 3 on the website, top page. They don't have a lot of content, but they're doing something that's smart, right? What are they doing? Well, they're interlinking, and also, UR that's strong, DR pretty popular, decent amount of backlinks, decent amount of referring domains, I guess you'd say. Keywords not nearly up to par like the last one that we had, and the organic traffic is not that bad, but the traffic value is good, right? So what could we do to get your website ranked to the top of Google? Well, use the right keywords, obviously, run the right kind of ads, and really use SEO, which is search engine optimization. So, like I said earlier in the call, I'm not here to waste y'all's time. I'm just here to simply help out where I can. I've worked with a lot of AC companies, roofing companies, tree companies, anything for service related, plumbing as well. For the last 3 years, doing digital marketing, made a lot of good connections, and I try to expand business, help them out where they need be. So with that being said, guys, hope you watch the video. If you have any questions, get back to me via email or my phone number at 225-955-8194. Hope to hear from y'all soon.